Hi, we are Maria and Paula, and we are here in Thessaloniki.
We are here in the book festival today to show you how Greeks are into reading. Is this the first time that you are here with this shop?
Yes, this is the first time, but this festival, this institution is for 35 years.
Do you think that Greek people are into books and into reading, or they stopped to buy paper books since the e-books?
Definitely they're interested in buying books, but the whole economic crisis in Greece, the internet and other factors may put them into standby mode, and they don't buy as many books as the older times.
So, is the first time you are here in this event?
No, this is the 7th year or 10th. 7 ή 10 χρόνια έχουμε που είμαστε εδώ. 10 years. It's a book fair. It's very nice here by the seaside. And we expect a lot of people and little students to come and see all the books for children.
Are lately children reading books, or they are more into games or another kind of activities?
They are certainly occupied watching TV and playing with tablets and watching video games. But in the earlier childhood, about 3 and 6 years old, they love children's books.
And you, as a writer, what kind of topics are more the children interested in?
They like to see animals and a lot of games. Tales are fairy tales and lots of funny stories, and I really write about love and friendship in these ages.
Thank you very much.
Okay, so this is your first time here in this kind of event?
No, it's the second time. It's very nice here in the beach with so nice weather. I like reading.
Okay. So, do you like reading? What kind of books?
I prefer, basically, science fiction books, more fantasy, more something that is not normal.
Okay. And do you prefer e-books or paper books?
Both of them, but I prefer paper books because it's more easy to read and more relaxing.
Okay, thank you very much. So that's it. We hope you like it.
And see you next year here in the book festival in Thessaloniki.